Okay, now it's time for the data types. Now, actually, what is it? What is data types? Now, data types, as simple as that, it is the way how to store your values. So you want to store numbers, to store characters, floats, or specific things. Now, actually, this is what data types. Okay. Now, in Python, we have some data types like the fundamental data types or essential data types like int, float, pool, string, list, tuple, set, dict, or dictionary. Now, int for the integers, float for floating point, pool for the boolean, true or false, string for characters, set of characters, which means strings, I mean words and so on. List for if you want to put a list or a set of list. Now, tuple is the same as list, but with some differences. We will talk about that. Don't worry. We have set and we have the dict or dictionary as well. Okay. Now these are for the fundamentals. Yeah. By the way, we will learn all of that in details, step by step. So don't worry. For now, just keep with me. Now we have another things which is called classes. Now actually the classes or the class here you write or you put your own data type. So you modify you customize your own data type. And don't worry, we will have that in details. Now we have other thing which is the specialized, as you can see, or the specials like the modules and so on. And finally we have the none data type. Now actually none data type is very simple, or it indicates that the value is none, which means that it is not just empty, it is none, which is null. I mean nothing here. Okay, not set yet. So you didn't set it yet. So which means that it is none. Okay, and we will have a lot of use cases and a lot of examples how to use that. Okay, so for now, just keep with me. Now in the next lecture, we will start the hands-on and we will start, as you can see, all of these one by one. All right. Thanks for watching.